Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best rainbow cotton yarn is probably one of the most versatile and vibrant crafting materials available, offering a stunning spectrum of colors that can transform any project from ordinary to extraordinary, making it an ideal choice for knitters, crocheters, and weavers looking to add a pop of joy and personality to their handmade creations, whether it's cozy blankets, cheerful amigurumi, or eye-catching accessories. Number 5. 20 Acrylic Yarn Skeins, Multicolored Craft Yarn Kit. Unleash your creativity with this extensive collection of 20 acrylic yarn skeins. You'll have a total of 438 yards of multicolored yarn to work with, perfect for any project. Each skein provides approximately 22 yards of high-quality yarn, ideal for crocheting, knitting, and various craft projects. Use them for everything from accent pieces to amigurumi and granny squares. Discover a stunning variety of 20 different colors in this single yarn pack. It's the perfect selection of vibrant, assorted colors to bring your creative visions to life. This set is an excellent starter kit for anyone new to crocheting and knitting. It includes everything you need to begin your crafting journey right away. Enhance your skills with 7 included PDF ebooks filled with yarn patterns. They are perfect for beginners looking to learn new techniques and complete exciting projects. This comprehensive kit is designed for ease of use, making it simple for anyone to start creating beautiful items immediately. Dive into the world of yarn crafts with confidence. What we like. This yarn pack offers an incredible variety of 20 colors, perfect for any project that calls for a rainbow of hues. It also comes with 7 PDF ebooks, making it an ideal starter kit for beginners learning to crochet and knit. If you are looking for a comprehensive and colorful introduction to yarn crafts, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Beautiful colors. Love the soft feel of this acrylic yarn. The colors are bright and vibrant, and the kids really love being able to choose a few colors they love. The skeins are small, but just the right size for a small beginner project. Very good quality for the price. The best part is the color variety. Number 4. Rainbow Soft Wool Yarn, 2 skeins. Introducing our beautiful rainbow wool yarn, perfect for your next creative project. You'll receive 2 skeins, each offering a generous length for your crafting needs. Crafted from 100% high-quality wool and eco-friendly dyes, this yarn is incredibly soft and warm. It's made with fine workmanship, ensuring it won't fade, shrink, or pill. This single-ply, colorful yarn is a joy to work with. It's ideal for crocheting, knitting, or weaving, making it perfect for all your favorite fiber arts. Watch your projects come alive with automatic striping. The long segment dyeing creates beautiful, bright color transitions as you knit. Please note that slight variations in thickness are normal for this thin yarn. The outermost color may vary, but the overall color sequence remains consistent. What we like. Crafted from 100% wool with eco-friendly dyes, this yarn is exceptionally soft and warm, perfect for creating cozy garments. Its unique automatic striping feature creates beautiful color patterns as you knit or crochet without any effort. If you appreciate natural fibers and desire projects with a unique, self-patterning effect, this yarn is an excellent option. What people say. The colors are gorgeous, the texture is very pleasant to work with. It's a lovely textural dimension to work with, and I didn't find it unpleasant or difficult to work with or in the finished project. The colors were bright and consistent through all the skeins I purchased, in 2 different orders, so these were separate dye lots for sure. Number 3. KnitPal Cotton to the Core Yarn, Jean Blue. Experience the perfect balance of softness and strength with our premium yarn. Its blend is ideal for creating comfortable, next-to-skin wear and gentle baby items. Get inspired with exclusive patterns included with every purchase. Unlock instant creativity for your next knitting or crochet project. This DK weight yarn is perfect for a wide range of projects. It offers breathability and absorbency, making it gentle on sensitive skin. From baby items and summer tops to home accessories, this yarn is ready for your next creation. Available in a wide array of colors. Enjoy easy maintenance as it's machine washable and designed to retain its softness and color. Simply lay flat to dry. We stand by our quality with a 365-day promise and US-based support. We're here to help you with every stitch. Choose our yarn for quality and community. Your purchase supports charitable organizations, allowing you to craft with purpose. What we like. This yarn offers a delightful blend of cotton and acrylic, providing a soft yet durable feel that's gentle on the skin, making it ideal for baby items. It includes free patterns to inspire your next creation and is beginner-friendly. If you're seeking a versatile yarn for next to skin wear, baby projects, or summer garments, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. Takes a lot of yarn to make a decent-sized blanket, but easy to work with and holds up pretty strong. The texture's soft. Love the color and the texture. The amount of cotton is that makes it feel really nice. It's very easy to crochet with. It blocked really well for the sweater that I am making. Number 2. Katech 20 Skeins DK Weight Cotton Yarn. Discover the luxurious feel of our yarn, crafted from a blend of 55% cotton and 45% acrylic. It's incredibly soft, warm, and elastic, ensuring comfort in every stitch. This set is designed for everyone, from beginners to seasoned crafters. It provides ample material for you to learn and create, making it an ideal gift for sparking creativity. Unleash your imagination with this easy-to-use yarn. It's perfect for a wide array of projects, including dolls, accessories, home decor, and more, maintaining its beauty over time. Explore a stunning palette of 20 different colors, each skein weighing approximately 1.76 ounces. Find the perfect shade to bring your unique vision to life. Surprise the crafters in your life with this generous 20 skein pack. It's a thoughtful present for any occasion, perfect for sharing the joy of handmade creations. What we like. Made from a blend of 55% cotton and 45% acrylic, this yarn is super soft, non-pilling, and offers good elasticity, ensuring your finished projects are comfortable and durable. It's easy to work with, making it suitable for beginners and a wide range of crafts from dolls to blankets. If you want a yarn that combines softness with ease of use for various projects, this is a great pick. What people say. It's got good stitch definition and feels nice to the hands. The yarn is good quality and easy to use. It feels good in the hand while using. The yarn's thickness is optimally balanced, being neither excessively thick nor thin. Number 1. Lily Sugar and Cream the Original Ombre Yarn. Discover the vibrant new Ombre yarn from Lily Sugar and Cream. Its unique psychedelic colorway is sure to inspire your next project. Crafted from 100% USA-grown cotton, this yarn offers natural softness and breathability. It's the perfect choice for comfortable, everyday creations. With a gauge of 4 medium worsted, it's ideal for both knitting and crochet. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, you'll love working with this yarn. Achieve beautiful results with knitting needles or crochet hooks. The stitch and row counts are provided for your convenience. Each 2-ounce skein provides 95 yards of yarn, giving you plenty to work with. Plus, it's conveniently machine washable and dryable for easy care. Let the mesmerizing psychedelic colors spark your imagination. Create unique garments, home decor, and more with this versatile yarn. What we like. This yarn is made from 100% USA-grown cotton, offering a natural feel and excellent absorbency, perfect for dishcloths, towels, and home decor. It's a versatile worsted weight yarn that is both machine washable and dryable for easy care. If you are looking for a reliable, easy care cotton yarn for home goods or sturdy craft projects, this is a classic choice. What people say. I got this yarn for some craft projects. I needed a thinner yard and this was just the right size. The quality is good too, it doesn't seem to fray easily. Made pot holders. All cotton. Can't use other yarns, will melt. The yarn itself is very soft and nice. Most of the colors I ordered came looking exactly as they did online, which is awesome. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.